Luxury. Just the word itself conjures images, doesn't it? Silky smooth leather, the whisper of a powerful engine, technology that feels like magic. You see yourself behind the wheel, turning heads, experiencing a level of comfort and sophistication that's, well, it's intoxicating. But then, the little voice in the back of your head starts to whisper. Luxury cars, they have a reputation, don't they? Expensive repairs, finicky electronics, the dreaded words, post-warranty nightmare. Suddenly, that dream car feels a little less dreamy, a little more like a ticking time bomb waiting for the warranty to expire. What if I told you that voice is lying? What if the fear is misplaced? Because the truth is, in the world of luxury automobiles, there are hidden gems. Cars that offer that premium experience, that head-turning style, but with a secret weapon, unflinching reliability, even after the manufacturer's safety net is gone. Forget the stereotypes. Today, we're pulling back the curtain and revealing the top reliable luxury cars you can trust, even after the warranty expires. These aren't just fancy badges. These are machines engineered for the long haul, built to deliver that luxury experience mile after mile, year after year, without emptying your bank account in repairs. Don't forget, the best is saved for last. So stick around till the end and enjoy the luxury ride. Starting our top 10 at number 10, we have a bit of a surprise, a brand that often flies under the radar in luxury conversations, but shouldn't. Buick, specifically the LaCrosse. Yes, Buick. Don't underestimate this classic American brand. The LaCrosse, especially models from the late 2010s, offers a genuinely comfortable and quiet ride, a spacious interior, and a surprising level of refinement. Think of the LaCrosse as the comfortable armchair of luxury cars. Unassuming, but incredibly relaxing and built to last. Underneath the skin, you'll find solid GM engineering, often shared with more mainstream Chevrolets, meaning parts are readily available and repairs are generally straightforward. For a smooth, reliable, and surprisingly luxurious experience, without breaking the bank, even post-warranty, the Buick LaCrosse is a smart choice. At number 9, we're staying in the American luxury sphere with Lincoln, and specifically models like the MKZ or the Continental. Lincoln, in recent years, has really stepped up its game in terms of design and quality. The MKZ and Continental offer a distinctly American take on luxury. Think spacious interiors, plush seating, and a focus on a smooth, comfortable ride. Think of Lincoln as the relaxed, confident American luxury brand. They've moved away from chasing European sportiness and doubled down on what they do best, creating comfortable, well-appointed cars. Ford's engineering underpins these models, and while they might not be as overtly sporty as some rivals, they are known for their solid build quality and generally predictable maintenance, making them good bets even as they age. Moving to number 8, we venture to Scandinavia with Volvo, and models like the S90 sedan or the XC60 SUV. Volvo has long been synonymous with safety, but they also deliver a unique brand of understated luxury. Think clean, minimalist design, incredibly comfortable seats designed for long journeys, and a focus on technology that's both advanced and user-friendly. Think of Volvo as the sophisticated, safety-conscious choice. They're built to withstand harsh Scandinavian winters, which translates to robust engineering and a focus on longevity. While they have more complex tech, Volvo's reputation for durability extends beyond just safety, making them a reliable choice for long-term luxury ownership. Entering the top 7, we arrive in Germany with Audi and popular models like the A6 sedan or the Q5 SUV. Audi is known for its sophisticated technology, refined interiors, and quattro all-wheel drive. Think of Audi as the tech-forward luxury brand. While German cars can sometimes have a reputation for complexity, certain Audi models, particularly those with their proven powertrains, have shown strong reliability. Focus on models with the more established engine options, and you'll find a blend of German engineering, luxurious interiors, and and technology that can last the distance, even after the warranty period. At number 6, another German powerhouse, BMW, specifically the iconic 3 Series sedan or the versatile X3 SUV. BMW is synonymous with driving pleasure, and these models deliver that in spades, along with a healthy dose of luxury. Think of BMW as the sporty, engaging luxury brand. While some BMWs can be more maintenance-intensive, the 3 Series and X3, especially those with the inline-6 engines like the 340i or X3 M40i, have proven to be quite reliable over time. Focus on models with these more robust engine options, and you can enjoy the famed BMW driving experience with reasonable peace of mind, even as the miles rack up. Continuing our list at number 5, we have a brand that quietly whispers reliability while still delivering a punch of luxury: Acura. Think of Acura as the smart, sensible friend in the luxury car group. Models like the TLX sedan or the RDX SUV strike that perfect balance. You get the premium features, the refined interiors, the responsive driving experience. But underneath it all, it's pure Honda engineering DNA. Known for their engines that just keep going, transmissions that are smoother than butter, and a build quality that feels genuinely solid. Acura isn't about flashy drama. It's about dependable luxury that quietly impresses, year after year, warranty or no warranty. At number 4, we step into the realm of a true reliability legend, Lexus. This isn't just a brand, it's practically become synonymous with dependability. We're talking about models like the Lexus ES sedan or the ever-popular RX SUV. These cars aren't designed to shout. They're designed to whisper luxury and dependability in the same breath. Think of them as the quiet confidence in the luxury world. Understated elegance, interiors that feel like a sanctuary, and powertrains that are, well, they're legendary for a reason. Lexus engines are renowned for their longevity, their hybrid systems are incredibly robust, and the overall craftsmanship is simply exceptional. Post-warranty? For a Lexus, that's often just the beginning of a long and luxurious life on the road. Number 3 might surprise some of you, but trust me, the data speaks volumes. Genesis. Yes, the new kid on the luxury block. But don't let the newcomer status fool you. Genesis is here to disrupt. And they're doing it by building cars that are not only stunningly beautiful, but also surprisingly robust. Look at the Genesis G70 sedan or the G80 sedan. These aren't just head-turners. They're built with a focus on quality and customer satisfaction that's frankly refreshing. Think of Genesis as the ambitious overachiever, determined to prove themselves. They're backing up their luxury with industry-leading warranties and a rapidly growing reputation for reliability. They're using proven technologies, focusing on the fundamentals, and the result is luxury you can genuinely depend on, long after the warranty period. Sliding into the number 2 spot, we have a brand that's known for performance, but secretly masters reliability too: Porsche. Yes, that Porsche. While they're famous for sports cars that hug corners, models like the Porsche Cayenne SUV or the Macan SUV have quietly earned respect for their surprising dependability, especially in the SUV category. Think of Porsche as the high-performance athlete who also prioritizes endurance. These are vehicles engineered for demanding driving, but built to withstand the daily grind. Porsche engines are meticulously crafted, and while maintenance can be more involved, these models are known to hold their value and their reliability exceptionally well over time. Luxury and performance you can actually rely on? Porsche is proving it's possible. And finally, taking the crown for the most reliable luxury car you can trust even after the warranty expires. It might not be who you expect, but it makes perfect sense. Toyota Avalon. Now hold on, I know what you're thinking. Toyota? Luxury? But hear me out. The Toyota Avalon, while sometimes overlooked in the flashier luxury segment, is a masterclass in understated elegance and unwavering dependability. Think of it as the wise, experienced elder statesman of luxury. It's not trying to impress with bells and whistles. It's focused on delivering pure, unadulterated comfort and reliability, year after year. Beneath the refined styling, it's built with Toyota's bulletproof engineering. Engines designed to last hundreds of thousands of miles, transmissions that are practically indestructible, and a reputation for dependability that's unmatched. The Avalon is the quiet achiever, the luxury car that proves you don't need to shout to be truly exceptional, especially when it comes to long-term peace of mind. So there you have it, the top 10 reliable luxury cars that prove you can have your cake and eat it too. Luxury doesn't have to mean constant worry and repair bills. It can mean enjoying that premium experience with the confidence of knowing your car is built to last, warranty or not. But hey, this is just my expert opinion. What do you think? Are there any other reliable luxury models you'd add to this extended list? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more insider insights into the world of cars. Until next time, drive safe and drive luxuriously and reliably.